Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a delicious way to cook eggplant. You could eat it every day and never get tired of it. It's even more fragrant than meat when it's done. Let's take a look at how I make it. First, we prepare 2 long eggplants. The flesh of long eggplants is more tender and tastier than round eggplants. Cut off the stems of the eggplants, then slice them into rolling pieces. Put the cut eggplant pieces into a bowl. Add a spoonful of salt, then a little white vinegar. Adding salt and white vinegar can prevent the eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Then soak the eggplant for 10 minutes. Next, prepare a green pepper and cut it into rolling pieces. After carefully cutting, gently place it onto a clean plate. Then take a vibrant red pepper and meticulously cut it into thin, uniform slices. Slice 50 cents worth of pork belly. Then cut it into strips. Smash 4 large cloves of fresh garlic and finely mince them. After cutting, put them on a plate. First, smash about 10 grams of fresh ginger and then finely mince it. Cut a few scallions into sections. Our eggplant has finished soaking. Take it out and drain the water. Add a spoonful of salt to the eggplant, mix well by hand so the eggplant is evenly coated with salt, then set it aside to marinate for 10 minutes to draw out the moisture from the eggplant. Next, let us meticulously prepare the delectable sauce. In a spacious bowl, carefully add precisely 2 generous spoonfuls of premium light soy sauce, followed by 1 full spoonful of rich oyster sauce, then 1 spoonful of fragrant aromatic vinegar, an appropriate and balanced amount of fine salt, a tiny bit of delicate sugar to subtly enhance the overall flavor, half a spoonful of smooth cornstarch, and subsequently, gently add some fresh water. Stir everything together thoroughly and evenly with a clean spoon until well combined, and then set it aside for later, convenient use. Our eggplants have finished marinating. Now use your hands to squeeze the eggplants firmly to remove the excess water. This way, when we pan fry the eggplants, they won't absorb oil and will be more flavorful. Add an appropriate amount of cornstarch to the eggplants and mix well by hand, making sure each piece is evenly coated with a layer of starch. It should look like this in the end. Next, add a little oil to the pan and heat it up. Then pour the eggplants into the pan and stir-fry them over low heat. Eggplants that have been stir-fried like this taste even more fragrant. During stir-frying, the starch on the surface of the eggplants will gelatinize, so no matter how you fry them, they won't absorb oil. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point and found it helpful, please give me a like. Every comment and like from you is my motivation to keep going. Thank you for your support. Stir-fry the eggplants until they become soft and the skin turns slightly golden. Alright, take them out and set aside. Next, add the sliced pork belly and stir-fry until it releases its aroma and the fat renders out. Then add the ginger and garlic and stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add the green and red chili peppers and stir-fry until just cooked. Then, carefully pour in the previously fried eggplants and the meticulously prepared sauce. Turn the heat up to a high setting, and vigorously stir-fry the mixture so that the tender eggplants can fully and completely absorb the rich, savory flavor of the sauce. Continue to stir-fry for approximately 30 seconds, or until the sauce visibly thickens to the desired consistency. Then add the chopped scallions and stir-fry evenly. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. A delicious braised eggplant dish is ready. Making a plate of this in summer is especially appetizing and goes perfectly with rice. Eggplant cooked this way is flavorful and aromatic, doesn't turn black, and doesn't soak up excess oil. Serve it with a bowl of rice. It's so tasty you'll want to eat 2 big bowls and still want more. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.